Hey everyone, this is Nick. I wanted to show you how you can give your feedback directly to Microsoft from inside of your PowerPoint app. Now you can see over here on my feedback pane, you can give a compliment, you can report a problem, or you can make a suggestion. Make a suggestion is going to take you to a public portal here where you can kind of create your own suggestions for new features. You can upvote others, downvote others. That's a pretty cool place to go. You can also report a problem or give a compliment. If you are giving a compliment, you can definitely go ahead and do that. They probably never see compliments. So I encourage you to do that because they probably only hear complaints from people like me from time to time. So I think it would be really nice for you to give a heart, to give a compliment to that team, and maybe give someone a little smile at the end of their day there. But you can also include a screenshot if there's a specific problem that problem or compliment that you want to show them. You can go ahead and do that, and it will prompt you to enter that screenshot. And then you can upload files if there are any other files that you want to share with them that you think will be helpful in your problem. You can also check whether or not it's okay to contact you about the problem, and that's great. Now, the best way to provide feedback in this box right here is give a little bit of a story of what you're trying to do and what problem you're trying to solve and what's happening what's happening on your screen that's not allowing you to solve that problem. That will help. All that information will really help the team kind of sleuth out what the answer might be. It's going to be less helpful if you just say, oh, this button doesn't work, and that's it. Give them a little bit of a story about what you're trying to do, why you're trying to do it, and then maybe some of the action steps that you're taking along the way so that they can kind of try to reproduce the error on their end. That's going to be really, really helpful. Now, I wanted to show you how you can get to this feedback panel, and the easiest way for me is to go right up here to the search bar on the top of your PowerPoint window there. I'm just going to type in feedback. And as soon as I do that, I get this drop-down menu. Under Actions, it says Help Improve Office. I'm going to go ahead. If I were to click that, I would get the feedback button, and I could go ahead and add my feedback. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to my Quick Access toolbar so that I have access to it all the time whenever I open PowerPoint, no matter what PowerPoint file I open. So I'm going to right-click with my mouse and click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. And now you can see this little Improve User Feedback icon right here. When I click it on my Quick Access Toolbar, you're going to go ahead and get that feedback pane. Now on your screen, your quick access toolbar right here, it might be on the top of the ribbon or it might be on the bottom. That's something that you can customize, and I'll probably show you how to do that in another video. But for now, I hope that you add that user feedback icon onto your quick access toolbar, your QAT, so that you can always give feedback, either compliments or problems, right to Microsoft directly. That's the best way to get that feedback, and I assure you that there are human beings, real human beings, that are reading all of those things that you submit via feedback all the time, and they appreciate it. It's the best way to get your voice heard through Microsoft. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Had a great time making this for you. Cannot wait to see you next time.